Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Dive in the Words. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about self-help books of all time, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. If you've ever heard about the law of attraction or manifesting your dreams, then you've probably come across this book, but what exactly is The Secret and how can it change your life? Well, stick around because I'm going to break it all down for you in this video. But first, let's talk about the author. Rhonda Byrne is an Australian writer and producer who skyrocketed to global fame with The Secret. She's known for introducing millions of people to the concept of the law of attraction. The book, published in 2006, took the world by storm, and it's still a go-to read for anyone looking to transform their mindset and manifest success. Now let's get into the key ideas of The Secret. So at the core of The Secret is the law of attraction. What does that mean? Well, Rhonda Byrne tells us that our thoughts are like magnets. They attract whatever we focus on. Positive thoughts bring positive experiences, and negative thoughts bring, well, you guessed it, negative experiences. The idea is pretty simple. If you focus on good things will come your way. Think of it this way. You wake up in the morning and tell yourself, today's going to be amazing. Your mood lifts, you're more confident, and things just seem to flow in your favor. That's the law of attraction in action. But it's not just about positive vibes. There's more to it, like the idea of visualization and affirmations. Rhonda says you should visualize the life you want as if you already have it. Picture yourself in that dream job, living in that perfect house, or having that amazing relationship. It's not about wishing, it's about training your mind to believe it's possible. You're also encouraged to use affirmations, statements like, I am successful or I am healthy. The more you repeat them, the more your subconscious mind believes them, aligning your actions with your desires. Okay, here's a fun one. Byrne gives us a 3-step process to manifest our desires. Ask, believe, and receive. Simple, right? First, you ask for what you want. Be specific about your goals. Then, you believe with all your heart that it's already on its way to you. Finally, you stay open to receiving it, even if it doesn't come exactly how you expected. The key here is to trust the process. Now, one of the major points Rhonda emphasizes is gratitude. If you're not grateful for what you already have, how can you expect to attract more? She encourages us to make gratitude a daily practice. Think about it. When you're thankful for the little things, you raise your vibration and that attracts even more abundance. So, how does the law of attraction apply to different areas of life? Whether it's health, wealth, or relationships, Rhonda believes you can transform them all. For example, she says focusing on good health can actually help improve your physical condition. If you want to attract financial abundance, it's all about shifting your mindset from scarcity to wealth, acting as if you already have it. And when it comes to relationships, start by loving yourself and you'll attract the right people into your life. Rhonda even dives into some science linking the law of attraction to quantum physics. Now this part has definitely sparked some debate, but the basic idea is that everything in the universe is energy, including your thoughts. By tuning your thoughts into the right frequency, you can supposedly influence the world around you. Of course, not everyone is on board with The Secret. Some critics argue it's a bit too much like wishful thinking, especially when it comes to things like illness or financial hardships that aren't so easily solved with positive thoughts. But for many readers, The Secret offers a fresh perspective and an empowering message that we have more control over our lives than we think. So why is The Secret still so popular today? Well, I think it's because it gives people hope. It reminds us that we have the power to create our reality by simply shifting our mindset. It's an empowering message. Whether you fully buy into the law of attraction or just take away the idea that positive thinking leads to positive results, there's value in focusing on what's possible rather than what's not. At the end of the day, The Secret is all about changing your thoughts to change your life. By asking for what you want, believing it's already on its way, and being grateful for everything you have, you can start manifesting your dreams today. So, what do you think? Have you tried using the law of attraction? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this breakdown of The Secret, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And if you know someone who could benefit from learning the secret to manifesting their dreams, share this video with them. Until next time, keep your thoughts positive and your energy high.